So in the question we have, there is some change in length when force of 33,000 newtons is applied. Force is equal to 33,000 newtons. It is applied on a steel rod of area of cross section. Area of cross section is equal to 10 to the power of minus 3 meter square. Change in temperature we need to find, where Young's modulus of elasticity is nothing but Young's modulus, which is equal to 3 into 10 to the power of 11 Newton per meter square. Coefficient of linear expansion, that is alpha, is equal to 1.1 into 10 to the power of minus 5 inverse of degree Celsius. We need to find delta T. So we know for stress by strain is equal to Young's modulus. Stress is force by area divided by Young's modulus is, strain is delta L by L. It's equal to Young's modulus. So it is nothing but F into L divided by A into delta L is L alpha delta T. So L and L will get cancelled. So this is equal to Young's modulus. So force is equal to Young's modulus into area into alpha into delta T. Force is given 33,000. We can write it as 33 into 10 to the power of 3, which is equal to area is 10 to the power of minus 3. Young's modulus is 3 into 10 to the power of 11. Alpha is 1.1 into 10 to the power of minus 5. Delta T we need to find. 3 ones, 3 11s. So 10 to the power of 3, 10 to the power of minus 3 if it comes this side. Wait, what? Okay, this becomes 10. 11 into 10 to the power of 3 is equal to 1.1 into 10 to the power of minus 5 into 10 to the power of minus 3, 10 to the power of minus 8. 10 to the power of minus 8 into 10 to the power of 11 is 10 to the power of 3 into delta T. This and this will get cancelled. So we'll multiply 10 on both sides, is equal to 1.1 into 10 into delta T. This becomes 110, this becomes 11 into delta T. 11 ones, 11 tens. So delta T is equal to 10 degrees Celsius. So the option is 3.